There are many ways to structure a particular piece of writing. One common way to organize a paper, especially in nonfiction writing, is by presenting a problem and then presenting a solution. So I'm going to write problem here and then draw an arrow to solution. Because that is how the paper or the piece of literature would be structured. First, the author would present the problem and then present the solution. Now, in some cases, the problem may already be well known to the reader. In this case, the writer may talk briefly about the solution, then talk about the problem, and then talk in more depth about the solution. Notice that I wrote solution very small here, because that's how the paper would be structured. The writer would briefly talk about the solution, then talk lots about the problem and lots about the solution. In some cases, an author may feel like there are more than one viable solutions. So I'm going to write problem, and then draw three arrows to solutions. So it's important when reading a paper that first presents a problem then a solution that you understand the author's agenda, as well as their point of view. So first of all, their agenda. You want to know why the author is writing the paper, and if they feel like one particular solution is in their best interest. So if a paper is structured like this with a problem and several solutions, the author may be biased towards one solution and feel like their solution is the best, and so they may cast the other solutions in a negative light. So they would, even though they would present several solutions, they would highlight one and put down the other solutions. In some cases, the author may present a problem and only present the solution that they feel is best, even though there are other good solutions. So sometimes only one solution is good, and so that's why the author only presents one solution. But sometimes there are more than one solutions that could be good for the problem. And so when the author only presents one solution, instead of even addressing the other solutions, they're totally ignoring them. So that's another example of an agenda and being biased towards one solution over another. So it's important that you as a reader understand both the writer's agenda and point of view when looking at the problem and the solution.